Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For this video, we will discuss practice 2.2b. So this is from 5, chapter 2. So question number 1, determine the product of each of the following matrices. So this is the simple question. For this matrix, you just multiply with 3. So we just go through the answer. So this is the answer for A, B, C, D, E, and F. So this is all the answer for question 1. For question 2, solve each of the following operation. Okay, first you have to multiply this matrix with 5 first and multiply this matrix with 1/2. So you'll get this. And then you just do operation addition and subtraction. So 5 plus 7 minus 5, you will get this. So this is the answer for A. Next, for question B, multiply this matrix with 6, this matrix with 0.5, and this matrix with 2. So you will get this answer. Then just perform the addition and subtraction. So you'll get this answer. So this is the final answer for B. Do the same thing for question C and D. So I just show the answer. For C, okay, this is the matrix after multiply with 7. And then this is the matrix after multiply with 1/3. So this is the final answer. For question D, so this is the matrix after you multiply with 0.2. And this is after multiply with 1/5. So this is the final answer. 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. And so on for the other element. Next, for question 3, given that matrix E, so this is matrix E, matrix F, and matrix G, show that E plus F plus G is equals to E plus in bracket F plus G. So we have to show one by one. So first for this, in bracket E plus F plus G, so you will get this answer. This is after you perform an addition for matrix E and F. So you'll get this and plus G. So this is the answer. Next, for E plus in bracket F plus G. So this is matrix E. This is matrix F plus G. So when you add these two matrices, you'll get this. As you can see, it will give you the same answer. Next, number 4. Given that matrix P, so this is matrix P, matrix Q, and matrix O. Calculate P minus 1/4Q plus O. So this is the question. So this is matrix P minus 1/4 matrix Q plus matrix O. So you just multiply this matrix with 1.4. So you'll get this. And then you can perform your addition and subtraction. So this is the final answer. 1/2 minus 5.6 plus 0. You'll get negative 5.1. Negative 0.7 minus negative 7 plus 0. You'll get 6.3. So this is the answer for question 4. Next, question number 5. Given that 4 multiplied with this matrix minus this matrix is equals to 3/5 times this matrix. Calculate the value of A, B, and C. So this is the question. Here is already this matrix times with 4 or multiply with 4. And this is the matrix after multiply with 3/5. So for the first equation here, get from 8 minus negative 4 is equals to 3 over 5a. For the first row, first column. I'll show you. So 8 minus negative 4, so plus, equals to 3 over 5a. Then solve this, you'll get the value of a. For b, look at the second row, second column here. For b, minus 0.1 equals to 9 over 10. Okay, then you'll get the value of b. Next, for c, negative 20 for the second row, first column, minus c equals to negative 21. Then you'll get the value of c. So this is the answer for question number 5. Next, question number 6. Given that this matrix minus 2x plus 5 multiplied with this matrix equals to 3, 8. Calculate matrix X. So, this is the question. So, for X, write it in the form of matrix. So, I write it as matrix AB. The element in this matrix is AB. So, in order to perform a subtraction or addition, the order must be the same. So, that's why I use 1/2 matrix for X. So, next, negative 10 minus 2 times A, so 2A. So, negative 10 minus 2A plus 5 times 2 is 10 equals to 3. This is for the first row, first column. So that you will get the value of A. Next, value of B. 9 minus 2 times B is 2B plus 5 times 1 is 5 equals to 8. So that you will get the value of B. So the matrix X is negative 3 over 2, 3. So this is matrix X. Next, question number 7. The shoe shop owned by Encik Jamal sells adult and children's shoes. Table 1 shows stock for each type of shoes at the beginning of a week, while Table 2 shows the sale of each type of shoes of that week. So, calculate the closing inventory of each type of shoes at the end of the week. Show your calculation in the form of matrices. So, this is the stock in the beginning of a week minus the sale of that week. So you will get the closing inventory. So this is the answer for number 7. So that's all for this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.